Hello dear traders, you are watching Economic Calendar on InstаФорекс TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. Early next week, all eyes will be turned to the following macroeconomic events. On Tuesday, the ZEW Economic Institute will reveal the economic sentiment data for December. Analysts suppose that Germany's economic sentiment index increased to 15 points. In November, the Center of European Economic Research reported that the indicator exceeded the preliminary estimates and advanced to 10.4 points from 1.9 points in October. The indicator was boosted by a rise in investors' economic expectations in regard to the following 6 months. Economists had anticipated a small growth to 6 points. At the same time, the current situation indicator dropped by 0.8 points to 54.4 points in the given period. On Wednesday, the EU Statistics Agency will report on the Eurozone inflation. Economists expect that in November the consumer price index climbed by 0.1% on an early basis. In October, the Eurozone consumer price index also rose by 0.1% compared to the previous year. Moreover, the preliminary figures for November show that the annual inflation was at the level of 0.1%, whereas analysts had forecast a 0.2% gain. Core consumer prices, excluding prices of energy, food and alcohol, advanced by 0.9% in November, following a 1.1% gain in the previous month. Besides, this day the market participants' expectations will touch the highest degree ahead of the Fed's decision on the key interest rate. Experts are puzzled, however, most of them suppose that the Fed will decide to hike the interest rate to 0.50% per annum. It is noteworthy that since 2009 the key interest rate has been unchanged at 0.25%. It is noteworthy that since 2009 the key interest rate has been unchanged at 0.25%. Intrigue has been surrounding the Fed's decision for a rather long period of time. This year, market participants have been discussing the possibility of the interest rate hike, thus being a driver of currency squats in the second part of the year. There hardly will be any surprises concerning currency's price, that is why the market reaction can be rather strong. Besides, the following macroeconomic events will be published early next week. On Monday, Japan will release the PMI data and Eurozone will report on the industrial production. On Tuesday, the RBA will publish the recent meeting minutes. The UK and the US will disclose the inflation data and Governor of the Bank of Canada will make a speech. On Wednesday, the PMI data will see the light of day in the Eurozone countries. The UK will publish the labour market statistics. The US will unveil reports on the construction and industrial sector. You have watched Economic Calendar prepared for you by InstаФорекс TV company. See you!